Cheers Restore is a post-drinking supplement designed to help you feel more functional the next morning by combining dihydromyricetin with supportive ingredients like milk thistle, prickly pear, and ginger. The formula focuses on liver support and more efficient processing of alcohol byproducts, which frequent social drinkers may especially appreciate after late nights out. Each serving delivers a comparatively high amount of dihydromyricetin, along with L-cysteine and B vitamins, aiming to address both recovery and basic nutrient replenishment. The capsules are simple to work into a routine since you just take them after your last drink or before going to sleep, without needing to mix powders or drinks. Transparency is a strong point, as the company clearly lists every ingredient and amount instead of hiding behind vague proprietary blends, and uses 30 testing for extra reassurance. For people who drink occasionally but want to bounce back more quickly while being mindful of liver health, this 12-dose bottle offers a focused, research-driven option